In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield V keeps crashing randomly. So first thing you want to do is inside Steam, you will go to library and find your game. So you would right click on your game and then go to properties, installed files, and then click verify integrity of game files. Next you will go to browse. Now here you will see something that says Battlefield v.exe. You would right click on it, then properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimization, click apply, and then OK. After doing this, you need to go to Steam, settings, and then here you'll go to downloads. Make sure this region, download region, is set to your region. If you don't find your region, then set something that is close to your region. So once you have this done, next you want to try and test if the game works. If it doesn't, then next thing you want to try is just close everything down. Close down Steam. And then any running softwares, if you have Epic Games, close it down. And then go to Task Manager. Now here, if you see Battlefield, close it down. You can close it down by right clicking and then clicking end task. If you see Steam as well, you can close it down. And then details, do the same thing. If you see Battlefield, do the same thing and close it. So once done, you can just close this. And now here you want to go to NVIDIA. So if you have NVIDIA, you can go to NVIDIA. If you have AMD, you should go to AMD or whatever graphics card software you have. So I have NVIDIA. So inside the drivers, check if there's an update for your driver, and always make sure to update. So click download to update your driver. Now you can update your graphics card's driver if you go to display adapters inside device manager. Here you'll see the graphics card. Right click, update driver, and here you can update it. Click next to update. So once you do all of this and you still have issues, then your last resort is to go to this PC, and then here you'll go to the C drive and then go to users. Then go to your username, so the one you see here, and then go to documents. So here you will find the game. You will find Battlefield V. So once you find it here, you will right click on it and then delete it. So after you delete it, you will go to Steam, then library, and then you will find the game here as well, and then you would right click and then go to manage and then uninstall. So after you completely erase the game from your computer, you want to make sure you don't have any leftover files or logs. So just try searching like Battlefield just to make sure you don't have the game or any folders left over. So after completely removing the game, go back to Steam and then just reinstall the game. And before launching it this time, you want to make sure that you restart your computer, and hopefully this fixes your error.